Welcome back to O2B Technologies. Today we're exploring the Odoo 19 signing process. On to our signing process. The interface has a sleek new design. It's easier to configure multiple signers directly within the document. And we can just copy-paste any field to save time and keep things consistent. When I need several documents signed by a client, I just upload them all at once. Odoo puts them together in a single envelope where I can arrange the order and add the required fields. Then I click Send, and my client receives one document to review and sign everything in one go. That's how Odoo 19 simplifies document signing. Subscribe and stay connected with O2B Technologies for more Odoo updates.